Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to set dynamic wallpaper in iOS 18. So if you want to use the iOS 18 dynamic wallpaper, instead of using features wallpaper or your photo as wallpaper on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do, when you want to set dynamic wallpaper in iOS 18 is go to your iPhone settings. Now on the settings page, scroll down and click on battery. Make sure your battery low power mode is disabled. If you enable low power mode, you'll not be able to use the iOS 18 dynamic wallpaper on your iPhone. Even when you enable it, the dynamic wallpaper will not be able to active properly. So disable low power mode. Now once you disable low power mode, you want to scroll down again and click on accessibility. Under accessibility, locate motion and click on it. Now, once you selected motion, make sure you turn off reduce motion. So, if you want to use iOS 18 wallpaper on your iPhone, you must turn off reduce motion. Then after that, you can now go to the settings page again. Under the settings, scroll down and click on wallpaper. Now, once you select the wallpaper, click on add new wallpaper. On adding new wallpaper, you have access to add new wallpaper, and here, just to scroll down the page, just keep scrolling until you get to iOS 18. Infuse with light. This wallpaper can change dynamically with the time, or you can select a color. So scroll through the iOS 18 wallpaper and select the one you want to set as your wallpaper. So in this case, let's say I want to set the last one as my wallpaper. Then you can scroll through the color you want to set as your wallpaper on your iOS 18. So to set the dynamic wallpaper on your iPhone, make sure you set the filter to dynamics. So once you select dynamic, this is going to change the wallpaper automatically with time. Then go ahead and click on add button. You see a pop that says set as a wallpaper pair or customize home screen. So just go ahead and set as wallpaper pair. Then once that is set, then you should see it set to your current wallpaper, just like this. Then the wallpaper will start changing with time. So this might take a few seconds before the iOS 18 dynamic wallpaper will change. But once you follow the step I just shared with you here, your iOS 18 dynamic wallpaper will change. So that is basically how to set dynamic wallpaper in iOS 18. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.